The Valley Tourist Village, which lies where the Valley Lake meets the Arabian Sea, provides for unique boating and picnicking opportunities. Visitors can hire paddle boats as per their convenience. One can also roam the gardens and have a nice picnic or choose to employ the boats for the entire duration of the trip. The view and feel of the place is extremely unique, considering it is merely 12 kilometers from the capital city of Trivandrum. Children are known to have a lot of fun climbing the sculptures here and the speedboat ride across the waters. A separate children's park and floating cafe run by Kerala Tourism Development Corporation (KTDC) are added incentives to visit this unique village. There is a walkway on the lakeside which connects Valley to Parvatiputhanar Canal, opening just near the NH47 bypass bridge. This walkway is over 1 kilometer long and offers an excellent leisure walk opportunity. There is another excellent elevated walkway newly constructed on the southern side of Valley Beach. Besides that, there are a number of small children parks in Valley. At the Valley Beach, there are a number of indoor games and rides suitable for both adults and children. These include giant wheel, shooting games, darts, horse riding, caricature drawing, etc. Most of these are run by families living on the beach side. Valley is also a good place to try out your photography skills. The beach, the lake, birds, garden, stone sculptures, and overall landscape offers excellent opportunity for trying various types of photography. The garden here is excellent and is well stocked and well maintained. This offers excellent opportunities for your new macro lens. Valley Tourist Village offers a wide variety of activities for children, adults, and families. The beauty of Valley is that it offers something to everyone. Boating in lake is what attracts a large percent of tourists visiting Valley. Boating is operated by KTDC and there are 2 boat docks and multiple types of boat rides. Usually, the boat ride lasts 20 to 30 minutes and covers the stretch from Valley Beach side to NH47 bypass bridge over 1 kilometer. The boats available include safari boats, paddle boats, row boats, and speed boats. Boating is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are a number of small cafeterias and a floating restaurant operated by KTDC. Cafeterias offers snacks, ice creams, and even soft drinks, and are of a cheap cost. The floating restaurant is priced on the medium range and offers excellent views of the lake and the beach. The nearest airport is Trivandrum International Airport, which is just about 3 kilometers apart. The nearest railway station is Trivandrum Central Railway Station, which is about 8 kilometers apart. The nearby attractions are Shangamugam Beach, Arkulam Tourist Village, and Arkulam Lake. Small shops are located on the main road outside the Valley Tourist Village entrance and also on the beach side where the lake meets the beach. You can buy everything that you get when you visit a festival ground. Valley also offers excellent opportunities for bird watchers. The hotspots include the large trees located near the boating area, trees located on the southern side of the floating bridge, and the lake areas towards the NH47 bypass bridge. Valley Tourist Village is an ideal picnic location for families with children. It is also a place where you can spend your day just walking around and having fun. However, it might be a bit crowded in the evening, and if you like some adrenaline rush, there is always the high-speed boat ride on the narrow Valley Lake. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan recently inaugurated India's first solar-powered miniature train at the Valley Tourist Village in Kerala. The train will run on a 2.5-kilometer rail route which will provide an opportunity to the passengers to enjoy the scenic beauty of the region which lies on the outskirts of Trivandrum. Veli Tourist Village is located about 10 kilometers from Trivandrum city. You can take a bus, auto or a taxi to reach Veli. If you are driving from Trivandrum city, take the airport road via Chaka. From All Saints College Junction, about 7 kilometers from city, head straight towards Kochuveli railway station. After a distance of around 400 meters from Kochuveli railway station, take a left turn towards Veli Tourist Village. If you are interested to explore the places in Kerala, just subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.